Hey guys, how you all doing? How you all doing? Now, if you don't know, KODI 21.3 has been released, officially released. All right, the new stable version. All you do is type in KODI.tv into your downloader app, and you can just sort of go to the downloader page and get it from there, whatever your device is. Well, this channel deals with Android. There you go. Now, I don't know what is the changes. I've not looked at the change log yet about what's in it, what's been updated. But from reading, from what I read from the groups, it's nothing really that will benefit Android users. So if if you got KODI, the official app, yeah, upgrade it, update it to 21.3. As for the KODI forks, I know as I'm speaking right now, I know that they're busy making forks. The from KODI 21.2 to KODI 21.3. If you guys want KODI 21.3 forks, just let me know in the comments, and I can start dishing out videos, um, giving you some. But just to inform you, KODI 21.3 is out, and I'm guessing, I don't know, maybe early next year, KODI 22 is gonna be out. There you go. But to be honest, what are we, 2025? We should be having KODI 25, shouldn't we? Then next year, KODI 26. All right, then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.